Hi guys, I'm Jess from maddencrafts.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make some cool keychains using the supplies that are found in the October Expressions Vinyl Mystery Box. Let's get started. You can use any of the adhesive vinyl in the box to make these keychains. I'm going to be using the Turtle Green Easy PSV Starling and then also the Pattern Autumn Plaid vinyl that I designed myself. The October Mystery Box contains 4 acrylic keychain blanks along with the findings needed for all 4 of them. You'll notice that the acrylic will look a little bit hazy right out of the box, and that is because both sides of the acrylic are coated with a piece of plastic to keep it from getting scratched or dirty in the package. Just use a weeding tool or a fingernail to remove that plastic before we get crafting. I chose to use 2 of the SVGs included with the mystery box to create my 2 keychains. I cut the pattern vinyl using the settings that are on the cheat sheet in the box, and I'm using transfer tape to apply them to the acrylic keychain. You can see I kind of tried to line up the grid lines on the transfer tape to keep the SVG straight, but you can kind of eyeball it as you're adding the vinyl to the acrylic blank. The only thing you need to remember is to make sure that you've removed that plastic covering of the acrylic before you apply the vinyl. Be sure to remove that plastic coating from both the front and the back of the acrylic blank to make it crystal clear. I used another SVG from the collection included in the mystery box to create a second keychain, and I'm going to add a pop of color to this one. I applied the vinyl to this acrylic blank in the same way I did for the first keychain, but now I'm going to do some decorating on the back side of the acrylic blank. Remove that plastic coating just like I did with the first one, and now I'm going to add some brush strokes of a copper metallic paint to the back side of the acrylic. When you're doing this technique, don't try to make it look too perfect and don't coat the entire back of the acrylic blank. You really want it to look like a wash of color with painterly brush strokes. Now I just let that paint dry. Once both keychains are finished, it's time to add the findings. You'll find keychains and jump rings in the package with the acrylic blanks in the mystery box. Put the jump ring on the last of the links of the chain of the keychain and then add the keychain blank as well using jewelry pliers or needle nose pliers. You just twist the jump ring closed. Don't try to force it, just twist it. And that will create a secure loop so that the keychain is attached to the blank that you've decorated. You can see for the painted acrylic blank, the color shines through the transparent acrylic to give a really cool pop of color behind the adhesive vinyl. I really like these keychains because they aren't super bulky and don't take up a lot of room in your bag, but they still help you find your keys very easily. And they're one of a kind, made by you.